get her. We're used to this kind of stuff around here. I'll get back to my drive. Okay, it's November 30th, 2024, and we just got hit with another 18 inches of snow or so out here. I was out last night till after 10 o'clock, headed down to the concrete, but we got blasted again, and that's the second time. I'll turn the camera around and I'll show you a car that's been cleaned off once already that had a foot of snow on it, but we're gonna see how this new snowblower does. So hope you enjoy. Okay, there's that car in the distance there. You can see the Township road grader down there doing something. I don't know yet. They've got a backhoe over there also. But that car had at least a foot of snow taken off of it yesterday. And I'm gonna see if I can get this driveway. Hey, they never came and picked up my trash by the looks of it. All right, here we go. All right, let's go out and see how deep this snow really is. Right there. Let me get this. Just 13 inches here. Out here at the end, where they've plowed it in. And we're looking a little over 20 inches out here. So that snowblower's doing a nice job. Let's walk over here, see what the township is dealing with. Got cinders out. That's a pretty good sized ditch there, and also. Yeah, it gets pretty hairy around here. Stay out of their way. Go get her. We're used to this kind of stuff around here. I'll get back to my drive. Here's a shot of that car from the other side. Yeah, I think we can get this cleaned out in maybe an hour or so. We'll see how it goes. This is for all you snowbirds out there in Florida and South Carolina, North Carolina, Georgia. See what you're missing? Oh my goodness. And I just cleaned a foot of snow off of that last night. That's like unwrapping a Christmas present. Early Christmas, November 30th. All right, that's going to be the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate your time that you take to watch these things. And for all you folks down in those southern states, we're about ready to come down and share some of that sunshine. And you're more than welcome to come up here and have some of this snow. Have a great day.